What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ryker Buff 900 back with another video. Alright, I got a big problem now. I keep blowing out my speakers. I just adjusted the amp. I made a phone call, spoke to a friend of mine who does music. Had to adjust the gains on the amp. I have the 4-channel Rockville 420, and I originally had Rockville 6.5s. Tweeters blue, sent it back Rockville, they sent me a new set. Also got, so I ended up buying me some set of DS18s. The other day I'm riding to work and the tweeters went, what the hell going on? So I'm like, what? I ain't never had this issue before. I don't have a crossover, but inside the tablet I use, I have an Android tablet. It has a equalizer in it, so that helps out. So I adjusted everything, I believe. I'm going to make sure now and adjust the highs. On it, and we're going to see what it do. Hopefully it works. So first I got to take these out, take these Rockvilles out, and I got a new set, put a new set in, so we're going to do that right now, and hopefully our issue will be resolved as far as my speakers go. I'm looking for a 4-way right now, so we can get this going. I'm going to take these out first. And I haven't written because I had no music. No highs, it's just voice. Don't sound right to me, I won't ride. I can't ride like that, sorry. I could not ride like that. If my music ain't right, I'm not happy with it, I'm not gonna ride. I just can't, sorry. Yeah. So we're gonna change this out. Screws out. 1, 2, 3. One fill on the ground. There we go. DS18 6.5s. using no power drill, the screw gun, because I don't want to over tighten and damage these. You know, the screws are not long, so that's good. I don't want to over tighten. These mounts, the metal mounts for these here, I'll get you a pair. 1, 2, 3 pair. They got them for the A-arms. Best thing ever. On Facebook, follow Shut Up and Ride. You make these brackets. They go, if you got a sport or a regular Ryker, if that bar to go across under the hood, they clamp right on there. You don't have to drill them to your plastics at all. It don't budge. I ride hard. Does not budge at all, which I love, which is a great thing. You know, I didn't want to put no holes in my bike. I didn't have to. Best thing right there. These speakers beautiful, no problem at all. They don't come out at all. I think I had everything up too high on the amp originally. I have it bridged to 4-channel, I have it bridged 2-channel because all I need is these 2 speakers is loud enough for me, and I don't need a bike full of freaking speakers, and these 2 is just enough I can hear it. That's all I need is for me to hear it, and I'm good to go. So I bridged it 2 channels, which is more power. I forgot, so I had to adjust that. I have to adjust the power. That's what I did. nothing like riding since I had the bike. Okay, I used to ride. Once you put your music on, it's a completely different feeling. Now if I don't have music, I don't want to ride the bike. It's like, nah, I need my music. I can't ride without my music. It's comfort. It's relaxing. I ride to work. I play all different types of music, so it feels good when you're riding now and you hear your music. It's a great feeling. It feels different. Overall good feeling. I love the way it feels. Just having that music, you riding in the open road. Like I said, I have a loud exhaust, but it ain't too loud that I don't hear my music. That's what I'm glad about also. Always screw opposite each other, not the same side. Just thing I do, make it I feel more comfortable that it's flush right. Then doing the two tops first and then the two bottoms. Do opposite. I just feel more comfortable that way. Been about a week and a half I haven't rode because the music wasn't sounding right. The music didn't sound right. I wasn't happy. Alright, so we got that in. Phone. I don't have no copyright music, so we're gonna try. I'm gonna have to use my see if I can use my phone. So I can play some non-copyright music. Let me take this coat off. Exhaust. See if we can play something.
true. Go, mommy, go now. I really don't want to see you cry. Mommy, go now. Just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. There's something about her. I said, ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you to me.
Sound good, right?
Can't figure it out. There's something about her. Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails with such a pedicure ball. She's fly effortlessly.
All right, so there you have it, y'all. It's in. Sounds good. That's it. That was a short one. Ryker 900. Ride safe. Peace. See you on the next one. I'm out.